Hi, this is Helen with a quick, or should I say speedy tips video to help you save time, save effort and make some more money, we hope, in your small business. So my tip today is to make sure that you capture email addresses on your website and anywhere else that you may appear online or even in the real world, because the problem is that people will go to your website and they may go once and they may completely forget about you and never go back again. So if you can capture their email address, then you can start building that relationship with them so that you are top of their mind when they want to buy something from someone like you. So many people miss this trick, or they think it's old-fashioned, or they can do it with social media, but really it still works. Please do it. Quick example, on my own website, Speedy Digital Learning, I've just got a free toolkit, so it's a free library of resources that you can sign up for, any visitors can sign up for. Gives them tons of value, of course. It's not just a cynical ploy for me to get an email address, so it's a real taster of what I do, as well as a way for me to capture email addresses and stay in touch with people. But without that, as I said, people may visit my site and never come back again, and then that's a completely missed opportunity for me, and I think for them, because I've got loads to offer. Now, it doesn't have to be slap bang on your homepage, or it can be. I've seen these in footers, headers, sidebars. You can build them into blog posts. So for example, you can say, if you'd like more information on this, please download my cheat sheet, checklist, whatever, actually inside the body of a blog post if you want to. You can do it on paper if you do handouts for events, or if you have anything in brochures. You can just get people on your mailing list and then you can start building that relationship with them. So have a look today at all the places you could capture email addresses, not in a cynical way, in a way that is going to be beneficial to both you and the subscriber that you're going to get, because I think most of us, we're missing a trick there. We're missing something or some place that we could be capturing those email addresses. So take a look at that. Let your tech do some of the work for you. Why not? Saves you working 24 hours a day, doesn't it? And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. For more tips, templates and checklists, go to my free business toolkit, which you can find at speedydigital.co.uk/courses.